To simplify the picking of orders in the warehouse at our head office and to minimize the number of errors, WKK recently started using scanners. These scanners, with software from Tasklet Factory, ensure that orders can be collected even more accurately and the chance of errors is reduced. In addition, stock reliability is increased. WKK has chosen to start using the Honeywell CT40XP scanner. This makes WKK one of the first companies in the Netherlands to work with this system. With this scanner, our warehouse employees can perform a wide range of activities more efficiently. Picking sales ordered. Post receipt of purchase orders. Register storage. Look up items in our warehouse. By using this new piece of software from Tasklet Factory, we ensure that orders can be collected faster and the chance of errors is significantly reduced. This allows us to work even more efficiently and offer even more quality for our customers. This makes it a valuable investment for the future.